Okay. Welcome to Sons of the Forest.
It's still on the multiplayer lobby screen for me.
Maintaining your thirst, hunger, and rest will keep you there.
Dude, what? I'm just on the multiplayer lobby.
Fatality. Sneak. Now you need to actually rest, or you get or you can die. Your available stamina is only high as your max vitality.
It's just.
I think the recording's pretty laggy right now. I might have to turn down the graphics.
It's still on the multiplayer. Oh, there we go.
Hello, fisheye. It's Kelvin.
Don't kill him.
No, I see him though. Like,
Yeah. I think
we're on the helicopter. Edward Puffton.
Oh yeah, that's the
Virginia Puffton.
I hear rain.
I hear nothing. It's still on the loading screen.
There we go. Now then.
What about the helicopter cutscene?
I'm alright.
I skipped the cutscene.
Fight demons.
No.
Oh, let's go, let's go. It's almost there. It's almost there.
Whoa.
Why are you guys so much farther ahead?
I'm in the helicopter.
Cheater!
Oh god.
I'm floating out.
Oh.
Oh. Landon, I'm here. Landon.
Ow.
Don't move. Don't.
That hurt.
I hear rain.
No. No.
Oh wait.
Rain.
No.
Is that Landon?
No. I just watched one of my friends die.
Oh.
I'm dangling for dear. Oh my god. He would have lived. And then the door just caught off his head.
Oh, this dude's alive. The driver's alive.
I'm still stuck on the
Oh no, 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 no.
helicopter.
No, no. Driver, no! Oh, yeah, he's dead. Oh. Yeah, he's dead. He's definitely dead. That door fucking fell on him.
Ah, who just kicked me in the face?
Oh.
Who are you?
Hey,
Who are you?
Whoa.
That's a bit of thunder.
Whoa. Who's this? Ow. Who's this guy? Hey, what the fuck? Huh.
Oh, hello there. Calvin.
hi, Hayden. You're on the ground. Get up.
I'm in.
You should collect them forest.
Oh, that's probably the three-legged lady. Virginia Puffton, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I gotta fix my graphics. It's like, this game's too good. Oh, that's better.
Oh, no.
Kelvin? Hi, Kelvin.
Kelvin's my best buddy.
No, he's mine.
Mine.
Oh my god, how does this backpack thing work? Like, how does it work? Oh, whoa, there we go.
Hello?
Yeah.
Is anybody... Oh, hi, guys.
Holy
I'm a bit stuck up here. Oh! Who was that gray man?
I don't know.
Trapped on a tree because I want to, Hayden. Deal with it. Yeah.
Looks like you crash in the same spot every time.
Whoa.
Pay for that.
Who batteries?
Buckshot ammo?
Oh. Wait, you can change your graphics down?
Yeah. Okay.
Do the deal!
This
Do
is
it!
crashed.
What do you do? Do it!
Where do you get an axe? How
It's in your
My
bag.
name's
The
Morton
bag that you
Kitty.
get.
You open
Go in
me
your
a
inventory and then open it.
My game is running completely
Killed
fine.
it.
My game's not. And I have it on like ultra low quality. And I'm recording it. So it looks a lot worse on the
Good
recording.
to you.
Emergency stuff. A phone. Oh, GPS. Oh, bye, Hayden.
Nice. I got a spear.
Tactical axe. I'm gonna chop down this tree, cause why not, right? Right? There it goes.
Hey, wait, how do we make an axe?
Ask the king of emergency.
Oh, it's in there.
Go get sticks, please.
Wait, what happened to Hayden?
Thank you. He disconnected.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I guess his PC just couldn't handle it.
Damn.
I was playing earlier just fine.
Must
No
have something to do with
lag
the
or
place we landed.
No, you land in the same spot every time.
Oh.
Thank you, Calvin.
I'm back. Don't you worry.
Yay.
Calvin.
Skip
Wait, no,
that,
this is my Calvin.
Skip that. Skip that.
Calvin,
Yeah, I'm awake.
Hi, Hayden.
Calvin,
Guys,
drop.
kill all the beetles. Kill them. You gotta go find a space.
Thank
now.
you, Calvin. Ow!
You're welcome.
Don't ask why mine's been bloody.
No, Calvin, stop, stop,
Okay.
Calvin. Get
Hey, they're good berries.
logs
Nice.
and drop here.
I don't know why you're getting logs.
Or anything.
All mine are just fine. My graphics are
Also,
all on
just
high.
also just so it the game looks better for
The
my
viewers.
recording, cause I looked over at it and it's like before it was like really bad looking. It did not
Who's
look good.
T? Is that you, Hayden? Oh yeah.
Yeah, for the weirdo.
Die, squirrel.
What if I kill him?
Don't kill him.
I
So
want
he's
to.
gonna have less production.
What if I want to?
What the? Where did you just get that log from?
Calvin. That.
Kill it.
Calvin. Calvin, just drop it here.
Kill him.
The deers.
He's
Yeah,
a great
Kelvin's
guy.
the best. I love Kelvin. He does anything you want him to.
I kind of want to kill him.
So when you kill him, I will kill you.
If I kill him, I'll revive him.
No, because then he's gonna have a less production output.
But it'd be funny.
No, it's not.
I think it's
No,
funny.
Sydney.
Okay, who wants to kill Sydney? Then
No.
Sydney's gonna kill
Hey,
Kelvin.
no, I didn't say I was. I said what if I wanted to. Ow.
Then we kill
Hey,
you.
Calvin.
Make him fight people.
Calvin, take a break.
You. Stay still.
Don't you dare.
I was throwing it at Evan. I was gonna throw it at Evan.
Why?
Hey, at least it's not Kelvin.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the cloud physics. Like, the sun gets less bright when there's a cloud. That's really cool.
I turned down my graphics quality you got, man.
Hey, Calvin. Kelvin.
I'm gonna kill this
Kelvin.
bird.
Yeah, I did.
How do you?
Die,
How do I
Bambi.
switch?
I already killed it.
I know, I'm trying to grab its feathers.
Where'd
Oh,
Bambi
I
go?
already.
Watch out, I don't want to hit you.
Where the... That poor squirrel.
What do you mean? It's a bird.
Right, no, the one that I'm by is a squirrel. There was just some random dead
Hey,
squirrel.
Oh, I killed that.
I'm stealing Kelvin away from you guys.
Okay,
No.
Come on,
bye.
Kelvin.
He's mine.
Find then take him. It's right here.
Guys, we gotta find somewhere to live.
Guys,
can
I
follow
found
you.
a camp
Stab it.
with rope.
Oh, yep, go to that camp.
I'm already walking away. See you later, losers.
And after
Where do
you-
I get the...
Actually, I want to go to that camp.
He's following you. Sid, he's coming.
Oh God.
He's following you, Sid.
Yeah, I told him to follow me.
Have
I'm pulling out my
Kelvin.
knife.
Ooh, this looks really nice.
Can he swim?
No.
Oh, well, hopefully he doesn't
Sweet deal.
walk in the deep parts of the water. Where did he go?
He has to go all the way around.
Oh, there he
Ooh,
is.
guys, there's some intestines in this bowl.
Oh, yo, can I have some?
I should just ran on.
I'm here. Kelvin's on his way.
Kelvin, I love Kelvin. Oh, there's Kelvin, okay.
Food looks
About to be a
delicious.
little worried. We should live up top on like a mountain.
Big waterfall. Ish. Not
Yeah, we
really,
should live next
actually.
to it. We need
Ah,
to live next to
cannibal.
phone book. I'm coming.
Cannibal.
People?
I got him. I killed him. He's gone.
What's this? Whoa! Oh, it's you. I thought you were Kelvin.
Oh, there's a lot of them,
There's
actually.
a lot.
Wait,
Yeah.
where'd Kelvin go? I don't know where Kelvin went. He'll be here.
It should show you on his map. Oh, Kelvin's coming after you, Sid. That
Oh, okay,
way.
yeah, I see him on the map.
Guys,
What? Oh!
I'm coming.
No.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Yeah, he's. Where'd the body go? Oh God. Oh, it's Kelvin. No, Kelvin! Kelvin, run! There's a cannibal chasing him.
Protect Kelvin! Monster! Get over here!
Get him.
Don't attack Kelvin!
He's climbing a tree. He's on a tree. He's on a tree. Wait, I need to grab my
Guys, right here.
need to grab my axe.
Don't kill Kelvin!
Oh, watch out! There's another one.
Kill him!
Ow.
You should kill him a lot.
That's a big mountain.
Oh,
I need to take my meds.
I accidentally ate his leg.
Burn the bodies.
They try to
These
hurt
ones just
Kelvin.
look like- Why do these ones just look like people
Guys,
with
I
mud on
found
them?
a lake.
It's just normal people.
I found a lake.
Stick.
Guys, I
Okay, we
accidentally
need
ate one of
we need a
his legs.
stick. All right.
Did I accidentally ate this guy's leg?
That's
Evan,
fine.
this is the spot from the video.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the spot was in the trailer. How do you make a? Oh, here, look. I'm making a fire.
Where's Kelvin go?
I'm making a fire.
Kelvin!
Hayden, look. Look how cool I am, bro.
Where's Kelvin?
I accidentally ate this guy's
Good job.
I love that. Is amazing how that works, though.
How'd you do that?
I broke some sticks apart.
Oh look, it actually like has different bones.
That's cool.
Guys, my
Oh wait, no, that's a horse.
Where are the bones? Oh,
Oh,
there
that's
they
a
are.
moose. Guys, I found meat. There's moose.
Moose on the
Oh,
Where are
loose.
you?
Moose.
Oh wow, you're
Die,
up the
moose.
mountain.
I can make it with
I'm gonna kill
rope.
this moose. Where's this
Guys,
moose?
come on.
I'm making a weapon.
Evan, man. You can.
Yo, Hayden.
Or,
I hit the moose,
Look at it,
but
look at
he
me.
ran away.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put Evan.
The moose ran away.
Come on, Kelvin. Hey, I
He's
need
coming.
somebody to help me guard Kelvin.
Don't worry, I'm here. He
Kelvin
can
can
also
go.
fend for himself. He was running away from the cannibals.
Yeah, I know, but we need people.
He was
To
a
kill
runner,
the
he's a trap
cannibals.
star. How's Evan so far away?
I have no clue.
Cause
Oh, there's a trail. I'm on a
just
trail.
better. Yeah,
There's a
there's
legit
trails.
trail.
Yeah, there's trails.
Interesting.
There's a lake up there, Evan.
Oh, there's the other moose. Die.
Kelvin's faster than me, bro.
Me? Or,
He's faster
holy
than me.
cow, he's fast.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be terrifying. Randomly just get jumped by a bear. That actually looks cool.
I say twin berries.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
That is cool.
Did you just
I love that.
swim the lake?
No secret. Nope. Oh, I'm all wet now. Oh no, wait, what? Where's? Oh no, Kelvin has to go all the way around this area. Hayden,
Yeah.
we're leaving him behind. You realize that, right?
Where?
He's being. I don't know where he's gonna stop.
Where'd that moose go?
Look at-
I was
look at your
so close to
GPS.
killing it.
Hayden, look at your GPS.
Better one.
He's trying to find an area where it's shallow enough so he can cross it.
Right here, bud. Where are you?
He's
Where
far.
is he?
He's trying to find an area where he can cross.
Guys, I killed a moose.
Alright, wait. I'm
Moose?
trying to get. I need somebody to help me get Kelvin.
No.
Where is he going?
Just ate it raw. Whoops.
Yeah,
Damn.
if you
Kelvin is
just
going.
clicky onto me, then it gives
I know,
it to you, but
I know,
you
Landon.
wouldn't.
I know.
What was that noise?
Whoa!
I just heard a weird noise.
Dude, where's Kelvin? Where is
I
he
didn't
going?
like that.
Wait, a moose! I found a moose!
Hey, wait,
Oh,
guys,
yeah.
Evan, I see you.
That's
Come back
pretty.
here, you dumb moose.
Where'd he go?
Kill
Oh.
you.
Oh, it's a moose. It's
Yeah,
another
like
moose.
the one I just killed.
Yeah, can I chop it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Axe time.
Go on, I'm trying to kill you.
Alright, come on, Kelvin. Get this one.
Oh!
It looks like
Get away,
Letchworth State
cannibal.
Park.
Guys, cannibal.
Come on, Kelvin. Guys, it's day one. It's 15:38. I think it's 12:38.
Yeah, I don't think I'm
Guys,
getting
it's
anything
coming
out of
No,
that.
it's 8. It's
It
8.
would be 3:38.
Yeah.
Run it found
What
you.
the- oh,
Right
Jesus.
Military time.
Trying to grab my weapon.
Kelvin, you should be able to cross right here. Come on, bud. You got this. I believe in you. Come on. Keep pushing, and then you can take a break. Deal?
Here, I'll make a campfire real quick.
Right over here. You keep going up this way.
Moose! Let's charge.
Nice.
Kill this moose. And go.
No, Kelvin, don't go that way.
Don't
Kelvin,
run.
fine, Kelvin. Go this way.
Can't open my inventory.
Dude, I have to go across the whole stupid lake.
Back here.
Kelvin,
There we go.
please tell
Now
me
it
you can
opened.
still go this way.
Excuse me, I'm pretty sure that my spears into your butt.
I'm right next to a cave, guys. I don't like this. I have to... Kelvin, go this way. Come on.
Sydney, come
What are
here.
you doing? Can you not go?
1 second.
Back here.
I'm cooking my meat.
Dude, why won't he come?
I didn't mean to eat that. I just ate it raw.
This way.
That was delicious.
Forever. I had to chase
Why
a moose
can't you go
just
this-
to get my spear back.
Dude, Kelvin randomly stopped. You can't go
He's
over
probably
there.
too tired.
I wish you could check his vitals.
Whoa, this map's huge.
Sydney, look.
Dude,
What?
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
it's
have to
4 times
guard him.
bigger than the
Oh,
fourth one. Sid,
I think that's a little glitch in the texture.
I had to run across like half the map just to get this spear out of some moose's butt. Take it out of the moose's. And I got it stuck.
That's another one.
Wait,
That's not as bad though.
you can just cross it? I should have died.
What are you doing, Kelvin? Where are you going?
Evan,
Guys, you can drink some water.
What? Oh.
goodbye.
I drank some water.
No! Cindy, no!
I'm alive.
Yay!
Did you take damage?
Yes. But if you fall into the right area, you won't.
Did you take any
Jump,
damage?
jump where I'm looking right in front of
He
me.
just said he did.
Jump where I'm looking though. If you jump where I'm looking, you shouldn't take any because it's deep.
Yes.
You might have missed it. No, you hit it.
No,
No.
I'm good.
Oh. Oh, he just barely hit the floor. He almost made it. Gotcha, Landon.
Kelvin, stop going away. Keep going.
Oh, damn, I don't have any more meds.
Let's go this way. Can you go this way? Can you go this way? Come on, Kelvin. This way. Dude, his AI can't climb like you can.
So, we're like in a lower part of this.
Yeah,
Can
we
we come
jumped
help?
off.
We jumped off into a river, yeah. So you can probably bring him
Jumped off
around
the
now.
waterfall.
You can probably bring him around now.
No, I have to bring him around the whole,
Yeah?
and you can sacrifice him if the time comes.
Yeah, sacrifice
That's the only
him
reason we
now.
want to keep him around, so we can sacrifice him.
Hey,
No,
look
he's
at
my
that
best
one.
friend.
Cannibal on the
Oh,
other
yeah,
side of the lake.
right there.
Wait,
see
they
him.
can swim? They can swim?
Oh, great.
Yeah,
They weren't
What'd you
able to swim
expect?
the last one.
I mean, wouldn't they be able to swim now? I feel like that makes sense. I'll make a campfire again real quick.
Oh, I think that's if we
Right there,
swim.
right there,
Kelvin
there's
better be
another
able to
one.
find us.
Where?
Massive.
Burn that boy.
Kill him.
Come on, Kelvin.
Oh, there's two right here.
You actually leave marks in the snow where you were.
Let's go.
Yeah, I have a whole shrub in Kelvin.
Oh,
Let's
there's
just
more
run.
than two.
Yeah, there's a lot. Okay, there.
Okay. Come on, buddy. 14 dark now.
Killed one.
Come on, buddy.
We're good.
Okay.
Come here, you little man. Oh, come here, boy. Come here.
I finally crossed the lake. Oh,
Here's, what's her face, Virginia.
Oh,
Guys,
you want me clothes together?
hi.
oh, hi.
I need clothes or she's gonna freeze me.
Hi.
Where's she going?
Kill him.
Kill her? Why kill
Don't
her?
kill her.
She's the billionaire's daughter,
Exactly.
and she's an AI companion.
I got to release sounds now, but they're so bitchin' loud.
Yeah, they're really loud. I should probably turn them down too.
Hey, can anyone come help?
No.
There, that's a bit better.
It's about to turn night.
Okay,
That's better.
and it's not our problem.
It's kind of weird that we need Kelvin to survive.
No, we don't.
We don't.
You get resources?
Something else. It might be rope, I guess. But I don't know.
Hi, Virginia.
Oh, great.
I think it's running.
I need to eat. What happened to my meat?
Come
I thought I put meat on there.
Guys, I'm gonna get attacked by cannibals.
Oh, I picked it up. Oh, it's burnt. Oh, whatever.
Yeah, I
Meat's
wish
meat.
Kelvin had one of these name tags above him. I hear water. Oh,
We're just bombarding this fire with meat.
I mean, we can
Guys,
pick it up.
I
So.
made it with Kelvin. Where's Kelvin? There he is.
Oh, nice.
Finally.
Yeah, I had to cross 2 mountains. I have a piece of meat. And
No.
Kelvin's gonna need one too.
No.
Okay.
No, Kelvin, get
Oh,
back.
okay, Evan, 2 of them are yours. The rest are mine. Like,
What?
my last one.
Oh my god, he's sleeping.
I don't know where my other one is. Whatever. How do you feed
You
him?
gotta talk.
Evan, or Hayden,
does
come here.
nobody have a
Hayden,
top?
come here. He's
Yeah.
sleeping. I do not have a tarp.
Oh, look at him. He's
Oh, that's
cute.
not what I meant to do.
Push him in the river. Push him in the river. Are you sure he's
What's
asleep?
happening? 1 second.
Guys, I think he's dead.
Guys, don't. He's taking a break. He's tired.
He
Dude.
might be.
God. Cut it out, Landon.
What did I do?
Hey, Hayden, where are you? There you are.
Hey.
Come here. Give me a second. Alright, now I should be able to give you the meat. Where is it? There it is. Did you get it?
Man, where'd it go? I think I got it.
Look in your inventory.
Where, yeah. Oh, cooked meat. Can I have one more?
I'm gonna give that to Kelvin.
Yeah, give that to Kelvin. That's what I was gonna do. Where'd he go?
I just ate one of them.
I swear, Lang, if you kill Kelvin, I'm
No,
gonna
he's
murder
like,
you.
he's right over here, it looks like, on the map. There he is.
Guys, I got some bone armor. I'm crafting it.
Ah, guys, get a nice drink of water. A nice drink of water.
How do you do that, Hayden?
I'm trying to figure it out. Kelvin.
Do what?
What was that?
I'm
Oh,
gonna
I see
go.
one. I see it. I'm beating it. That's the point. There's just a bunch of bones lying around.
Hey, I have no clue how to get him.
It is rope. Okay.
That's how I
Electrical
made
tape
my-
is gonna be very valuable then.
Wait, what was it?
Yeah, electrical tape's really valuable now. I still have
You
some.
made a sword?
A sword.
Oh. How the...
Watch
I don't know
out.
how to switch the mode of the shelter.
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know.
Watch out where?
Watch out, Eva. Timber.
That's not me.
That's me.
Yeah.
Sleep.
Okay, everybody sleep.
Sleep and then save. Dude,
Okay,
everyone
now save. New save.
Kelvin?
Save.
Okay, game
Oh,
saved.
okay.
Drink some water.
I'm thirsty.
Game saved.
We need to find somewhere to actually set up a good camp.
Oh, delicious.
I'm gonna go exploring. You guys keep Kelvin safe.
No.
I'm gonna
I'ma
keep
go
Kelvin safe.
I'm going exploring.
Okay, I guess I
Don't mind.
Lang, Lang, you're with me.
Do you have cloth?
No, I don't have cloth.
Well, then I'm not staying with you. I need cloth and I want food.
Oh, that's a...
Okay.
Have you figured out how to feed Kelvin yet?
No, I don't know how.
Yeah,
I tried everything. Not everything.
search
I
it
think
up.
you
Do
have
you
to-
even have to actually feed him? I thought you.
Characters don't have to use the bathroom, but we have to sleep to survive.
Because using the bathroom in a video game's gross. What?
No, it should be a feature.
Yeah.
Hayden
DLC.
does have a point. 6th mod. Repopulate the island mod.
Oh god. They're already doing that in Minecraft, man. Calm down.
Let's stop.
You can walk up much steeper slopes. Like, I'm walking up a 90-degree vertical slope.
Well, it's because they didn't want us to go up there in that, on that mountain yesterday, Evan.
No, but
That mountain,
I'm
like, you're
walk-
not supposed to
no.
go up there, that's why.
it was a 90-degree angle from the ground, Sydney, that I just casually walked up.
Okay, yeah, I looked it up and it's not giving me a very valuable resource because it hasn't, the game came out 5 hours
Yeah, the
ago.
game did just come out. 5 hours is enough time.
I don't think it is. Where's Kelvin?
Hey, where'd you go?
I'm
I need
where's
so many
Kelvin?
leaves.
Hey, Kelvin! Kelvin!
I'm
Perfect.
seriously just nonchalantly
Kelvin, you're
walking
gonna
up
get
this
killed.
mountain. I'm just walking up this mountain so nonchalantly. It's crazy.
Did I not say follow me?
Guys, I'm on the top of the mountain.
Okay, he's following you. I'll stay behind the guard.
Yeah, I'm just following the
It's
river.
actually...
Man, why are you just
Oh my
chopping
god,
down
it's
trees?
so nice up here.
Because I want to.
Wait, dude, it's actually so... That's what I'm all about, dudes.
Yeah, I don't have booze.
We should
Guys,
live at
I'm
the end of a
trekking.
river.
I'm trekking to the top of the mountain. Guys, I found a campsite up on the mountain.
Dude,
Evan, there should be a tarp. Try to find it.
Motherboard.
A
Goose,
piece
I got
of cloth.
vodka.
How do I not have
Guys.
cloth?
Guys, I got some vodka.
nice.
Guys, do you have any cloth?
No,
I
is this
just
the
used
other
my
end-
cloth to make leaf armor.
Is this the
I
other
don't
end of the
have any
island, or is
cloth.
this just a lake? So,
Oh, that's a dead
I
body.
think this is probably gonna
Oh.
lead to the ocean. Yeah, it looks like
Guys,
there's a
I
beach
found-
down there.
I found a dead body.
should we live on a... Where should we live, Sam?
I don't know, probably
Yeah,
an area near
Near the
water.
water.
Near a river.
Near
Guys,
a
I
river.
got some
And
water. I
it
got-
should be convenient.
What's this?
I'm joking. You have Kelvin anyway. You should probably go to an area like the ocean. Just venturing off into the forest.
Okay, I'm climbing up the mountain again.
I'm trying to find a tarp. That's your mission.
No, there is no
There's
tarp.
probably
There
gonna be a
was no
tarp at the beach.
Yeah, you guys like the warmth, don't you? I'm freezing my nuts off, but that's because that's my choice, and I love doing that.
You love freezing your nuts off.
Oh, no, I don't, apparently, because right now I'm cold. I gotta fire. I have to fire right now.
Who fired you?
Wait, is this the one that we were at last time?
Okay. Okay.
Sink or something?
Where's my sticks? I need the sticks.
Oh, what are you
It
doing?
took me so long to get to the beach because I'm just collecting so many leaves. How many do I have?
Ah, much better.
I
I
have
got a nice
I have
warm fire.
639 leaves.
Fish.
I have 22.
Just ask me if you need any.
Okay, I'm gonna continue my trek.
Oh, it's perfect too
I'm-
because there's
I'm almost
rocks
at the
here.
top. I'm
So it's
almost
not
at
the
the
logs.
tippy top of the mountain.
Can we like zoom
Should we
in?
live down here?
I don't know. It's like it could be a good place to live, but I'm not entirely sure.
Because the river provides fresh water.
I say we do it.
Yeah. Like, I'm back here in town though.
No,
Look at
I
that.
need pebbles.
This is a tall mountain.
Hey, do you have pebbles?
Oh,
Oh wait, watch. I got it. There we go.
Oh, I just did it too.
Hayden.
Oh.
Pebbles.
Okay. What's
Guys,
that?
can you see the smoke coming from the mountain?
There's a bunch of trees in the way.
Oh.
Stay here,
For
Kelvin.
me, they can probably see it.
Hey, who wants to guard Kelvin?
Not me. I'm running. Ooh, the water looks really cool. What the hell? Oh, this
It's
guy's a
kinda just
weapon.
It's
Wait, is this guy
rolling on
missing
its
his
own.
arms? Oh no! I think it's just perspective.
And
Yo, bow.
This piece of driftwood is seriously just rolling on its own.
hit,
Oh, there it goes.
What, Landon?
Yo, what's up, fam?
I got you food cooking.
Oh, he's stuck to a post.
Yeah, I
Why is
got
he
you
stuck to a
food.
post?
Okay, I'm
Cooking on the
coming.
fire.
What is wrong with his face? Dude, is this one of the blind ones? They
cook
tied.
fish and not
Dude.
like eat it.
This guy's tied down.
I
Why
thought
is there dead fish?
He's tied to a stick.
Hey, Holy, before it overcooks. Hey, you can tell because
And he doesn't have eyes.
White, it just
Ooh,
turns.
that's a lot of rope.
Hey, Holy,
This guy
right
doesn't
over
have
here. Once
eyes?
it turns white, and it just turns gold.
Oh god.
Don't eat it yet.
I thought Kelvin was gonna
Eat
do
it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Hayden, eat it.
What the? What? This one's wearing
Turtle!
pants and shit.
Good.
I'm gonna kill this one.
See, you just take a
Disturbing
random
part of this game,
What?
the turtle guts.
Oh yeah. I just
Oh
killed
my
a
God,
blind one of these guys.
I killed a turtle.
Oh god, what is this guy doing? No. I'm stabbing this guy open right now. Don't hurt me.
I just killed 2 turtles and their guts are disgusting.
Oh
But
my
time
god.
to eat.
He's blocking and everything.
But time to eat.
What is wrong with
Yummy,
his
yummy,
face?
yummy.
He's mad.
What, Evan?
I found flares and booze.
Wait, check if there's any tarps. 'cause
There's a
those
shark
can
come
be
from.
useful
Oh,
for
there's
other
2
stuff.
sharks. I knew it.
There's like kayaks here.
Oh wait, the sharks are actually coming closer.
Ooh, I got an energy drink.
Maybe not.
But no, nothing else. Sadly, nothing else.
I should carry more than 2 logs. I'm duplicating
sorry
this stuff.
about that. I'm sorry.
Here, stop chopping him up real quick. Did
What
you
the
seriously
heck?
chop
Guys,
off his head?
I'm duplicating.
Oh, keep going.
Oh, let's go.
Alright, Hayden, look. Look what this dude's
Come
wearing.
Bye.
Keep going, baby.
Oh my god. Can somebody start
Yeah,
moving these?
I'm gonna start building.
Wait, how do you chop the top?
Oh my god. Okay, I'll keep doing this. What the heck? He looks like a tuxedo. Dude, he's wearing better clothes than me.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay, yeah, I can't do any of this stuff. Evan, what was that? Oh, well. Evan, don't mess any. Evan, don't hit any. Landon, stop. Landon. Oh, okay. No, it stopped duplicating.
It stopped. That sucks.
Hey, Sydney, I
Why
need
is
one
there
log.
no log sled?
Or 2 logs. I need logs to patch up this spot. Oh.
Ah, hey, stop. I'm trying to cut. Alright, what the? Oh, that worked.
No, Sydney, I'm doing them.
No, I'm doing 'em.
Okay.
Nice.
There we go. I got the body.
Hi, Calvin.
Kelvin. What's up, bud?
I'm not even tired yet.
Yeah, okay, everyone sleep.
Nah, you guys go on without me.
I want you
Evan,
to
I
take a
won't
break,
kill you.
Kelvin.
What the? Landon, come on.
Oh, sleep.
Landon.
Landon.
Let Kelvin take a break.
Yeah, I did. He's sleeping.
Oh my god! He's on the fireplace.
He's just warming up.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, let's get to work today. Today we gotta finish the wall and then we can start on our house. Got it?
What can I make?
Most I need food.
Oh yeah, wait.
Lane, you get.
Actually,
Lane, you do
what else can I
food.
use rope for?
Sid, me, and Evan, we shall do.
A zip line. You can make a zip line?
Yeah.
Or like,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? I'll make a repair tool. That might be important later on.
Okay, Evan, me, and Sid, we will all be
This is how you
tasked to get
make
wood.
the axe. Yeah,
Need
this is
wood?
literally the crafted axe.
Yeah, we need to get tons and tons of wood.
What's with this wall?
Yeah, I don't know what the.
Yeah, I
what
messed that one
is.
up and I don't know.
Wait,
how
I
to-
got you.
Oh, there we go. I got it. Perfect.
Hey.
Perfect.
Hey, no, we can
It's
just like.
just a little. It's just a little hidey hole, or
Yeah.
like a peeky.
Peek. Peekaboo.
Hi guys.
Peekaboo.
Hi.
I mean, I know we can already look up over the wall, but you know, it's fine.
Yeah, we have the rocks. We can jump on it.
There's a fence tower that you can make.
Oh, these fish.
Oh, you're gonna catch fish for me? I need a fish.
He needs to get some
Kill the
fish.
fish.
Bird.
Got 3 fish
Bird.
so far.
Die. I can't kill the bird. No.
I am hungry.
Ooh, rope. And money. There's so much money here.
What do I?
And booze.
What do I do with
Or
this?
vodka.
Money, you can use it to burn.
Sydney.
Everybody knows that.
Sydney.
Yeah.
Give
Okay.
me a second.
Wait, is
Is that for me?
illegal to burn cash?
Oh, that looks kind of like my captain's hat. If you guys find 2 arrows, they're mine. I lost him after shooting at a seagull.
Okay, guys, we should sleep.
Wait, no, give it back, Kelvin.
Kelvin,
He's gonna go drop it over there.
hey you.
Look how helpful he is.
No, that's it. You're
Tell him to take a break.
Get logs
Or you can get sticks.
and drop here. You got that, boy?
Dude, I
Okay.
hate these tiny little nubs. I have 6 of them now. Dude, I'm gonna make a small wall. Boom.
He smiled at me weirdly.
Ooh.
He's kind of scaring me. No, let me pick up the food. Yeah, there we go. Nah, he walked over like a little weird symbol with his fingers, and smiled at me. I was very tempted to shoot him.
Shoot him.
Yeah, like this.
Oh.
Bird.
Kelvin! Kelvin, oh my god, Kelvin.
Is he on fire?
He's about to be.
Yeah, he's fine. I don't know.
Nothing. He almost stepped in the fire.
Kelvin. I can't believe that guy sometimes.
I mean, he has
You
brain
guys are
damage
lucky.
from the
You guys are lucky
crash,
I'm nice
so.
to you. I gave you my only food.
I ate my own meat.
I
I did not eat any of your meat. So,
Just show me on the fire then?
Yes,
Yeah.
there is. Ah, Kelvin! Kelvin just lit
Kelvin!
himself on fire.
We're gonna burn to death.
No!
no, wait, he actually can get set on fire? I thought
Look at him.
he's just invincible
standing
to
there.
it. Can we put him out? Dude, can we put him out?
No. He's fine. He's okay now.
I'm surprised at how slow the game's moving. Like, we're just able to build. There's no cannibals. They're being so weirdly nice to us.
Die, you dumb boy. I killed ya.
How do I sink it? I don't want it there.
Can I call Kelvin over to me?
There. Somebody place this stinking piece of wood.
Follow me.
How do I make stinking? Okay. So what do I need to do? Okay.
Dear, come here. I want to.
Wants to suck your meat.
I want your meat, but more specifically,
I'm not trying to break it. How you? Ah!
dear, come on, please. Where are you?
No, Kelvin.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Yeah, hey, I don't think I can break.
Yeah. I think it should be like 6. Okay, that's good. Now. Oh, I did not mean to hit that. Dude, I love your mustache.
Just place
you.
them, and then afterwards we can all spike them. Don't spike them.
Daddy, Kelvin. Did you just hit a bug? Kelvin, how about you
Collect the logs.
take a break?
He was just taking a break. What's with this log over here?
What are
What are
you
you typing?
And he just did the same thing I did.
I did, didn't I?
Yeah.
Why is there just some random doorway here?
That's my doorway. Don't worry. It'll be done. I'm gonna be working on that after the wall.
Kaylin, I think we should start bringing these logs back, because...
You know, I think I see what one of the
Guys, you guys may
problems
want to start bringing these first. Or otherwise, the
is. It
game
won't let me.
may-
It still won't let me spike it.
Then break it.
Nah, we just did that to the other one though. Let's just place all of them, then we'll figure it out.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier.
I can't do it to these ones either.
Let's make a zip line.
From where
Oh,
to
I can
where,
do it.
Landon?
There we go. There we go. Okay, you just gotta get it like perfect. There we go.
How do you make leaf armor, said?
You need cloth, 1 piece of cloth, and 15 leaves.
Oh.
I'm out of cloth.
I don't even have
hold on.
cloth.
You know,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out exploring. I'm gonna try to find guns and stuff.
I'll go
And then
with
bring them
it.
back.
Yeah,
I'll go with it.
cause I have
Yeah, Evan,
ammo.
me and you will work on the base while they're gone.
Dude, I'll
Evan,
go with you.
then stop chopping logs. Good money.
We should
Let's
probably
get a drink of
not
water.
go the way we went before.
Dude, let's get a drink of water.
Yeah, I am.
Do you guys have enough materials to make a time?
Oh, delicious.
Do you want to go? Let's go kind of up to the left.
Hey, get back here. Kill him.
This video is
The
gonna go.
tree,
Well,
you're not,
that's gonna be the end of part 1 of
you're not
the
taller than
forest. I hope you enjoyed. Or Sons of the Forest.
Stop
Sorry.
laughing at me.